Do you ever feel tired during the day but you can't sleep at the night? If you do, it could be your circadian rhythm is out of sync. So what is circadian rhythm and what is its effect for our body? Hello everyone, I'm Yohana Eunike Simanungkalit from Santo Borromeus University. I'm majoring for medical record and health information. In this chance, I'm going to be talking about the circadian rhythm as the main character in our body. So basically, the circadian rhythm is like an internal timekeeper for everything our bodies do in 24-hour period. They are part of the body's natural clock, regulating sleep, hormone, hunger, and many more. But it's running background to carry out the function and the processes. For example, if you feel active and energized during the day, and then you feel sleepy and tired, drowsy at the night, that is the circadian rhythm. There are two main processes that control the circadian rhythm. The first one is the internal biological clock system, and the second is the external environment. So, what is the internal biological clock system? The internal biological clock is the organism's natural timing device regulating the cycle of the circadian rhythms. They control a lot of physical, mental, and behavioral patterns. This biological clock is controlled by the muscle clock, suprachiasmatic nucleus or SCN. It responds to light and translates the light as a trigger to stay awake. If there is no light, the muscle clock will communicate with our brain to produce the melatonin, the sleep hormone. That's why we feel drowsy when it's dreary outside. The scientists discovered that these rhythms are really important in sleep-wake cycle. But more than that, the rhythm also communicates with our brain and body to regulate other essential physiological functions like blood pressure, temperature, and metabolism. So, almost every cell in our body has a circadian clock. They work to make sure our body function and energy are at their peak levels at the right time. Now you know what will happen if you sleep in the wrong time. I have the experience about the bad effect to my body. So 2 weeks ago, I've done the practical study in hospital. As a student, we need to do the report project that talk about our activities and our knowledge that I got from there. In hospital, of course. So I stayed up late for a week, I guess, to do the task. I feel tired during the day and I can't be focused to do anything. I remember when I want to go to the cafeteria and buy some snacks, instead say thank you to the seller, I said happy birthday. How embarrassing it was. And also my head was dizzy and I got insomnia. So what was I do to fix that? Number one, keep your bedroom as dark as possible. Like I've said before, the SCN will translate the light as a trigger to you to stay awake. Number two, reduce and limit the screen time and have the consistent bedtime. Number three, don't get any coffee or caffeine after the 4 p.m. But if you feel suffering in any condition of sleep disorder, please go to the trained professional. Like Thomas Dekker said, sleep is the golden chain that ties health and body together. Thank you.